Hi everyone, welcome back to the WebToTech YouTube channel. Today for this video I will be showing you how you can download and install Tinder for the mobile device. So for that, first of all, you need to open the Google Play Store. You can download the Tinder application from Google Play Store on the Android device. If you are using an iOS device, you need to open the Apple Store or the App Store. So once you open the Google Play Store, you tap on search bar and there type in Tinder. Tap on search. There you can see the application on the top. Now you tap on install beside it and wait for the application to be downloaded. Tinder is an online dating and geo-social networking application. Tinder is the world's most popular dating application, making it possible for you to meet new people and connect with the other people from all around the world. In Tinder, users swipe right to like or swipe left to dislike the user profiles, and after that you can connect with them through messages or the calls. This is how you can download and install the Tinder application. Here you can see the application has been downloaded. Now you tap on open, and with that you have successfully downloaded and installed the Tinder application. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the WebToTech YouTube channel. Thank you for watching till the very end.